Hi guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to allow or block comments option for your video on TikTok. So let's open our application. I will go to this option to create a new TikTok as an example. Let's click on the check mark and on the next option because we are very interested only in these settings. So guys, here we have this special feature, allow comments. If you want to activate it, let's tap on the switch beside it to make this toggle green, and to disable it, let's tap on the toggle again to make it gray. Remember guys that after deactivating the comments, you also won't have any access to set comments below your own video, so it's not only for your subscribers, viewers and friends, but it's also for your own. So guys, let's check the result with the blocked comments TikTok. And after uploading, I will go to my profile page, refresh it to show you the result as I said. Let's tap on the latest TikTok, and we have this comment section at the right bar, but after clicking on it, we have the inscription that you turned off comments. Guys, but don't forget that after clicking on these three dots icon, you will have the special feature. Sorry, I need to find it. Privacy settings. Let's tap on it also. And after, you will have this option, allow comments, which is very easy to activate comments again or disable them. Let's activate comments feature, and I will show you the changes. Tap on the cross to save and go to the comments. Well done guys, right now you can set any comments you want. And friends, I hope that this tutorial was definitely very useful and interesting. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!